Hey Owen, are you joining the hackathon Monday?
What's a hackathon?
I mean, it's like we'll code all together and we'll fix the COSIMA cookbook and the COSIMA recipes.
Cookbooks? I've got my cookbooks here. I don't need
Not
recipe.
that cookbook. Not that cookbook. The COSIMA cookbook. It's online to work on your code.
Ah, I see.
And will you join?
Yeah, I'll see. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think we go one. Hey Amy, are you joining the hackathon?
When is it?
That's on Monday. This Monday.
This Monday coming?
Yeah.
I'm mowing the lawn.
Mowing the lawn.
On Monday, yeah.
I mean, why don't you join the hackathon and write code to do that?
I don't know how to write a code to mow the lawn.
People will be online, ready to help, like Angus, Aidan, we'll all be there, helping each other.
Cool, let's do it.
Cool, we have another one. Hey, Josué.
Yeah, what's up?
Nothing much. Are you joining the hackathon on Monday?
Perhaps if I can hack the NCI?
Hack the NCI, everybody wants to do that. Yeah, can you do that?
I think so. I mean, we could try.
What do you want to hack NCI for?
Because I want to get all the SUs.
Ah, well that's a good idea. I mean, can you use the COSIMA cookbook to do that?
I don't know. I don't think I ever used it. So I guess no.
I mean, it'll be great if you do it because then we'll have a documented example in the recipes.
Okay, yeah, I can try.
Cool.
Awesome.
Okay,
See
we
you
have
then.
another one.
Are you joining?
No, I'm definitely not gonna join.
Why not?
I mean, it's illegal, man. I mean, is it illegal? I mean, I don't want to be part of these illegal activities.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? I mean, it's a hackathon. Hackathons are illegal.
No, it will be all good. I mean, we will be coding to help each other.
So are hackathons not outlawed in Australia?
Not that I'm aware of.
Ah. Okay, I'll join there.
Excellent. So now
Okay.
we are a team.
Cool. Now let's call Andy. Let's see if Andy's joining. Where is he? I mean, he must be home. Hey, Andy. Yeah, what's up? Hey, we have 4 here. Are you joining the hackathon?